Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today I'm going to be switching out my battery because it's been dying on me a lot and it's kind of annoying because I have airbags and I kind of need my car to drive everywhere since it is my daily driver. I ordered an Optima yellow top. I really did want the red top because it would go better with my engine bay, and it's black here too, but I think this would be better in the long run because it has deep cycle and it's good for, you know, any car that's running accessories like lights, stereo, amp, all that good stuff. So I think this is the best bet. It's a lot heavier than I thought. Everyone was saying like this is kind of like a racing battery, and I thought it'd be really light, but it's just as heavy as the Lexus battery. I got this AC Delco about a year and 3 months ago. I looked back at my old videos because I did film myself getting this installed, and I cleaned the battery like 2 days ago, and look at it now. It's just getting corroded really fast. Battery just doesn't look like it's in great shape, so hopefully this will solve all my problems. I was considering running the red top in front in the engine bay to use as a regular car battery, starter, ignition, all that stuff, and then running this yellow top in my trunk and then running like a dual battery setup. It's gonna be a little pricey because it's 2 batteries. On top of that, the wiring and everything. If this will solve all my problems, I could just run one and live with the fact that it doesn't match my engine bay. Hopefully this works. I have my dad over here fixing this drawer. Say hi to the vlog, Dad. I wish that I could drive this low, but now that I have fenders that are a little more sensitive, I can't. Yesterday after work, I trimmed as much as I could here with the Dremel, and it's still hitting, so I can't even get into places with ride height because I guess my wheel, like right here, you see, it'll hit that. And the worst part is I don't even have like the best fitment, so why am I dealing with all this? But on the bright side, it looks fire. Oof. Alright guys, check that out. That battery looks toasted. Now I just gotta clean up all these terminals with baking soda and water. Just clean everything up. Alright guys, got everything installed. It's not the prettiest, probably clean that up eventually, but it's not the worst thing in the world. Hopefully it works, and that's all that matters. That's resetting itself. Air suspension looks fine. All the lights are on. Now time to drive it around for a little bit. Alright guys, car runs great. Battery is amazing. I'm gonna buy a new battery tie down. It's not bolted down all the way, but it's definitely sturdy enough, doesn't move. I might have someone swap out these terminals to better looking ones because I don't like how this mess looks. So maybe someone can clean that up. Now let's get to the real reason why you guys clicked on this video, and it's because we're gonna be modifying my dad's car once again. So we picked up a new sponsor for my dad's car, and it is crazy. What the hell? My dad is freaking sponsored. How? When I first started YouTube, no one was sponsoring me. My dad doesn't even do YouTube and he's getting sponsored. It blows my mind. Yeah, let's open this up and see what it is. Let's see what my dad got. Oh, damn. That's right, guys. My dad's car got sponsored by Nia Auto Design. Oh. That is freaking amazing. We got him a paint mesh front lip for his Lexus IS. Let's unwrap this and see how it looks. I can already see the blue. Damn, that looks so sick. This is so sick. Oh my God. Let's unwrap this and see how it looks. I'm sure they did a great job on the paint match, but got inspected anyways. Let's check it out. Oh my God, guys, this lip is so sick. Oh, that paint match is fire. It's gonna look so good with my dad's car. We just gotta wash his car, but damn, what do you guys think? I've always loved the fins here. It's super aggressive. Got the Nia badge on the side. Thank you guys for that. Huge shout out to Nia Auto Design for sponsoring today's video and sponsoring my dad's Lexus IS. Damn, I don't remember when the last time it was that I jacked up a car and tried to install a front lip. I think we got enough room. My dad's stock height, so that's definitely enough room for me to work with. It's just gonna look fire. Got my little setup. Just gotta get my tools, and we definitely need to remove those mud flaps, mud guards, whatever, and drill everything in. Now that I got those mud flaps off, let's do a little test fit. Alright, so that's a little mock-up. I gotta check under to see if everything lines up. So far, it kind of does. It's really close. They constructed this thing pretty well. Good job, Nia. I'm going to bolt everything in and give you guys the final results. You guys kind of get an idea. This is how it's gonna look. Finally on there. Everything looks solid. You ready for this? Shit. My dad fucking has a front lip. That is so fire. Paint match is on point. My dad's car is dirty, so don't mind that. That is insane. I have yet to see an ultrasonic blue with a Nia Auto Design front lip. That is fucking so sick. Thank you once again, Nia Auto Design. And also huge thank you to Chris for getting me hooked up with Nia. He works with Nia or for Nia and met him at a show one day. Now he's getting me some front lips for my dad, so huge shout out to you, bro. If you guys want anything from Nia Auto Design, link is in the description below. If you want to check out Chris's Instagram and his 2IS build, it is freaking awesome. It'll be right here for you guys. One last thing I need to do to complete this front lip install, and that is this Nia Auto Design license plate frame, courtesy of Nia. Thank you guys for lacing my dad up, since my dad does actually like to run the front license plate because he doesn't want to get tickets. Ooh, now my dad is laced up by Nia. Alright guys, this is how she's looking. Hopefully my dad likes it. Cleaner than a baby's butthole. You know how I told you I had a surprise for you?
How did you get that color?
You got sponsored. Yeah, for free. Your car is a little bit, you know, the paint's faded, it's a little old, but it looks good, right? How many weeks until you break it? We got it from Nia Body Kits. I told them that we've been working on your car and they said they liked all the videos and they wanted to hop in and help. So they sent you a front lip, fully paint matched. It took like 3 weeks to make.
Now I need the side kit also.
Okay.
Well, you have the front already, you need a side kit, right?
The side skirt? Yeah.
Side skirt, yeah.
Alright, you guys heard it. My dad wants the side skirts to match now. If you don't break this front lip this week, I'll get you side skirts. I'll find a company that will send you side skirts.
Wow. I have to drive very slow now. No more bump.
Be honest though, do you like it?
Yeah, look good in the front.
Yeah, right?
I know.
It's not tacky, it's not carbon fiber, it's just clean.
Nice. Now I need to wash my car.
I only washed the front, I didn't wash the rest of it. Just for the video.
Thank you, Nia.
Oh, cái bumper trước á hả?
The front lip.
Cái bumper, right?
Under the bumper.
Okay.
Painted the same color as this car.
Wow. It looked different than before.
Bà biết ba nói gì không?
Tao nói gì?
Có cái trước tại sao không bỏ cái side?
Cái size á.
Like, yeah. I told him if he doesn't break this in 1 week, I'll buy him the side. Or I'll get him the side, but this was free.
Don't spoil him.
You spoil him too. I'm so glad he likes it. My mom even thinks it's really cool, so that's a win in my book. I always get a little bit nervous when I modify my dad's car just because it's not my car. It's just the fact that he's a normal, conventional driver, point A to point B, doesn't care about how his car looks, barely washes it sometimes, and I'm just glad he liked it. You guys heard it from him. He said, now I gotta get the side steps, side skirts, whatever you guys want to call them. If this video gets 500 likes, I will go out of my way to get him some paint matched side skirts. We don't know who it's gonna be from, but I kind of have an idea. Maybe we'll complete like a little baby body kit on his car, like side skirts, diffuser, maybe a little trunk lip or something. It's so funny because I have my car back, right? So I could just make content on my car. I reached out to Nia a while ago, told him about my dad's build series that I'm doing, little baby build series, and they wanted to help out. They really enjoyed the videos and they sent over my dad a free front lip paint matched. God damn guys, that looks so cool. Like honestly, it's not even my car and I have a pretty built IS over here, but this just gives me those vibes like when you first modify your car. I know every single one of you who mods your cars remembers your very first front lip or your very first mod, and it just gave you like this smile that you couldn't get off your face and you were just so hyped and you wanted to drive your car around. And I'm getting that with his car, and hopefully, you know, he feels some type of way tomorrow morning when he goes to work. Yep, My son mods my car and then breaks his lip. Fitment on this lip was really good. It's only self-tappers, but it's really sturdy. I might swap them out for like nuts and bolts just to make it more secure, but as of right now, I think it's pretty solid. I'd rather the lip get destroyed than like his actual car. Drop down in the comments below what you guys think about Nia. I've always liked the Nia lip. Those 3 fins really get me. I just love this like freaking shape of this lip. It's just so awesome. And there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this Mod My Dad's Car series, once again, leave a comment down below. I hope you liked his reaction as much as I did. I love seeing the smile on his face. If you did like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will be back with more videos soon. Huge thank you once again, Nia Auto Design. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.
Thank you, Nia.